channel TV on the go. I'm in the car right now, as you can see. Where we're going to visit today. Well, we're staying in Curepipe, but let's say hello to the bees. Hello.
Hey.
All right, where are we going today, Yvonne?
Aux Cerfs.
Aux Cerfs, of course. Encore une fois, quand nous faisons le jardin de Curepipe, ils ont dit nous voir Aux Cerfs, and Dimon qui reste dans le nord, le sud. Ville visite Aux Cerfs, and it's a beautiful weather today. I mean, काफी cloudy है, लेकिन फिर भी.
हाँ, फिर भी अच्छा है. The best thing is, crater.
Right.
बहुत time के बाद भी जा रहे हैं, so it's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. All right, let's go ahead to the crater. Okay, going up to the crater. Alright, so we're going up to the crater as you can see, and now we'll get the view of Curepipe. Aujourd'hui, nous montre un peu vue de loin, vue de haut de Curepipe. Alors comment se trouver? Il y a pas mal beaucoup de monde qui viennent faire jogging ici. It's really good for your health as well. Alright, so we're going to be doing some activities as well here. We'll be right back.
Pretty windy, and the TV on the go team is right here. And if you remember last time we had this crazy challenge, very easy actually, just crossing the stick, and Tesha has been trying because last time she could do it.
Let me tell you, I tried again. It's not happening. I'll go to the gym in 2 months time. We'll see what's the result.
All right, could we have a little trial?
Trial the same.
Yeah,
okay.
Why not?
Let's see. First से नाक कटने वाली है. Let's try. So you remember last week we were trying the race, just hold the stick. You have to cross over. See, it doesn't even count. नहीं हो रहा है. It's not happening. We have all the challenge.
Alright, so this is the first challenge. So you just need to put it on your finger or on your palm. So I will put it on my finger. Okay, 3. Wait, somebody needs to count.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna count.
It's pretty windy.
Okay, ready? Get set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We can say.
Alright.
Whoa.
I did how much?
19.
19, right?
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, let me try. I'm so sure I'm losing to that because I didn't practice anything. Alright. So I'll try the 2 fingers first and then I'll see if I need to change. So is it good like that?
You can put it on your palm.
Okay, let's see on the palm, maybe. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's not allowed.
That's not a good start. Okay.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2.
1, 2. Okay, you try on the palm, see if it stays longer.
Let's see.
Okay, that was a trial. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa!
I beat you.
We guys are trying this in adverse conditions. It's pretty windy.
Oh wow, look at the sun.
We are in Curepipe anyway, so it's very understandable. But look at the view out there. Look at the sun. The sun is coming out. थोड़ी देर में हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं, of course, the crater, but it's a beautiful place right here in Aux Cerfs. और क्या करने वाले हैं? कुछ और challenges तो होने वाले हैं, definitely.
Yeah, we have another one.
What do we have next?
What we have is we're badminton players,
yeah.
So we've tried something. It's like catching the shuttle. Many times when you're playing, all the shuttles everywhere. How do you collect it? So we keep on trying to put it in the cylindrical, I would say, container. So let's try.
Okay, let's go to the next challenge. Okay, we're starting on the challenge. It's called Catch the Shuttle.
Yeah.
Alors, on n'est pas basé badminton, but we are trying just to catch the shuttle, and we're going to show you how windy it is right now because Vikas has been practicing. Is it windy or not?
Yeah, very.
Just make sure you don't fly away. Okay, let's start the challenge, and we're going to go to Vikas. Let's go.
I'm gonna catch this, right?
Okay.
Let's keep taking off. Not easy at all because it's so windy. It just comes.
Oh no!
Almost.
He was
We are defying the law of gravity right now. Okay, once again, let's try. The law of wind.
The wind's slowing down, that's why.
Hey, हम parking में भी कर सकते हैं.
Hey! Wow, good job.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I already know I'm gonna fail at it. I'm just gonna have 5 tries and let's go. Almost.
First try.
Oh!
What? You're saying it was too low. Okay, you say it's too low.
No, yeah, it's too low. You throw like this and you just
Did you catch it?
Okay, like this.
showing
Okay, one more.
You
Okay.
guys throw it up.
Alright. Let me try one more.
As long as it's
He's saying I cheated. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Come on.
Okay. Last try. Okay, the challenges are going on and it looks like कि आज हम निकले हैं to challenge nature actually.
Actually,
हाँ.
और challenge ये हो रहा है कि जो नीचे है वो full हवा के अंदर full जोर के अंदर हमारे साथ है. And now we want to do something different.
Right.
The shuttles and make it more interesting, more challenging. And हमारा जो hero है, he's all set. And what exactly is going to happen? Tell me.
So I'm going to be like this, putting my head here, turning around.
Right.
And the shuttles are scattered everywhere. So I'll have to pick up the box and put the shuttles and we'll time it. And then we'll do my father's turn and then Uncle Tishan's turn.
It sounds easy, but it's not. Let's go to Vivan on this challenge.
साया साथ होगा. चल मेरे लाल दिखा कमाल. Okay, it's time to get started.
Wait, for how many seconds to turn around?
Nah, probably you got to take
We're gonna count till
5.
5, okay.
Okay, yeah.
10, 10, 10.
Then we'll be fine.
No, 10's too much.
That's the fun, actually.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, 3,
2, 1. This is called Tunike, Vivan, Tunike.
3, 4.
Head on the
I feel 5 is
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay, you have. I need to count you. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You stepped on it. Look at this.
Okay, is the counter still going on?
Done.
Where's the lid?
Dad, give it. Cheaters.
Vikas' turn to do the tourniquet and grab all the shuttles. Let's go, Vikas.
इतनी हवा चल रही है, ठंड है, मेरी नाक बह रही है और ये कह रही है कि ये करो. My God, it's going to be devastating.
You live in Curepipe, it's very normal. Let's go. Okay? Tourniquet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go. Go now.
Wait, look.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18. 18 seconds, you did it.
Alright, he did 18, my turn now.
Okay, Vivan is going to do it now. Let's go, Vivan. Okay, we'll scatter. He's scatting his own shuttles. Okay. You have 10 seconds of tourniquet and then...
my world is still spinning.
And we'll see if you can beat the 18 seconds to collect everything, okay?
18, that's it.
18 seconds. Are you ready? Okay. Go start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Done.
10. I can't see well.
On a mission.
He was on a mission. Okay. Okay.
Anyways, we won't have any intermission because now it's the shut's time. Okay, let's
All
start.
right. Can you scatter for me? Where's the...
You are going down.
Down.
Oh, wait, you're already down.
Okay. I'm just trying to see the targets. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
At least I didn't lose the challenge. This is the aim today.
Wait, this is the aim.
Not to lose the challenge to Vikas at least. He's
You
the winner.
cheated. You cheated.
Did I cheat? Why not?
Yeah, you did like 2 rounds, 2, 3 rounds, and you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's go. Where we're going now? We're changing location, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna change location because the challenges never stop. We're gonna go on and take up yet another challenge. Let's
Right.
go, my friend.
Change of location. Where have we reached?
Actually, this all happened and started during Corona. So we guys were at home, then we thought of some games,
Yeah.
and we came down to the parking.
Right.
Now, the interesting bit is the parking has every slot, and every slot has a number.
Okay.
So we developed or thought about a mind game, a maths
Yeah.
game.
Okay.
So let's talk about the challenge. The challenge is going to be that I'm going to challenge either Tesha or Viman.
Okay.
And I'm going to give a very simple mathematical formula. Not a formula, a question. Say 19 plus 14 is 33.
But the
So,
maximum is 30, how much? 38, yeah.
yeah. So,
Okay.
So 19 plus 14 is like 33.
Okay.
So I'll give you 3 seconds to calculate and reach 33. Step on the number before I can catch you. So that's very interesting. Gets a little tricky and tests your knowledge as well.
Test your rapidity as well, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Mathematics.
But also you get like stressed, you're scared because there's somebody gonna chase you and you're like, what's happening?
Because your mind doesn't work at that time.
Yeah,
Okay.
so TV on the go, now taking rest in the parking.
Okay, let's start the challenge.
Alright.
I've been sending him to school, but let's see what has he learned.
It's
Okay.
stressing, okay? It won't be the same. You don't have time.
53 minus 39. 1, 2, 3.
59. Wait. I'm scared.
53 minus 39.
How much is it?
It's 16.
40.
Dang it. I'm getting confused with the numbers, okay?
Okay, on the one, on the track. Give him an easy one. Give him an easy one.
Alright, let's do it. Give me. Let me see. Okay.
Come here.
56 minus 42.
Why are you
1,
giving like this?
2, 3.
Oh! No!
56 minus 42.
Why would you do that?
Okay, there's no one harming the challenge.
56 minus 42 is 14.
14!
You have to look for 14.
Again, 14! Number 14 is there!
Because you're on camera, so it makes...
It gets you more pressure. Okay, because it's starting.
Alright. 20 times 3 divided by 2. 1,
20 times 3. 20.
2. You were slow.
Ho ho ho!
Alright. So it's Auntie Tesha's turn.
Okay.
6 times 3 plus 3. 1, 2.
18 plus 3. 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. What did you get me for?
I mean, she got the answer, but she couldn't really
Yeah,
reach
easy.
21.
Let me give him one. Very,
Ale.
very easy.
Wait, you come here.
We'll see your speed in this one. We'll just see your speed in this one, okay? Okay?
Are you ready for this? Ale.
You ready? We'll see your speed, okay? 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2.
Oh, that was pretty.
You got this one. You got this one.
Oh, that was very easy.
Oh.
Yet another one. 5 times 7 minus 30.
Wait, what?
1, 2, 3.
What's 5?
I got you.
He could not reach to number 5, which was... Where is number 5?
Number 5 is right there.
Number 5 is right there. So he had to reach there before Vikas gets him. Okay.
Anyways, okay, your turn. Your turn.
Okay, your turn. 38 minus 34 times 3. 38
He's too fast. You're too fast. She doesn't stand a chance. I told you he is a math.
Times 3 is 12. And he reached on 12 before I could get him.
He's a math whiz.
Okay, the challenges are done.
Yeah, done for this week. But don't forget to subscribe, to like the videos, and we're going to be back. We're keeping it really simple so you guys can be back home trying it. You know, something simple to start
We'll
with.
get them.
We're going to start, putting the challenges up and making it more difficult, but we're just starting with it. And of course, we'll be back next week. TV on the go! Bye!
Running shoes.
Okay.
All right.
This one is very easy. I just want to see if I can catch the cars or not.
Hey.
It's 33.
Impossible. She's too slow.
33 minus 36. No, 36 minus 33. Negative to me.
ऊपर से मैसेज आ रहा है कि घर जाओ घर जाओ. Exactly. Changing. My God, it was all sunny and raining. We got